Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create viral Jesus versus Devil AI videos that are getting millions of views on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Step 1. Check the description below and find the master prompt. Simply copy the master prompt. Now open ChatGPT, start a new chat, and paste the prompt. After that, type Start. ChatGPT will instantly generate an AI image prompt, an AI video prompt, a video title, a description, hashtags. Step 2. Copy the image prompt. Now open your favorite AI image generator. I'm using OpenArt. In OpenArt, select the Nano Banana model and paste the image prompt. Click Generate. Within seconds, your cinematic image will be ready. Download the image. Step 3. Copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT. Go back to OpenArt and select the Cdance 2.0 video model. Paste the video prompt and click Generate. Wait around 15 to 30 seconds. Boom! Your AI video is ready. Download the video. Step 4. Copy the title, description, and hashtags that ChatGPT generated for you. Upload your video to YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok. That's it. You now have a complete viral-ready Jesus versus Devil video created with AI in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.